gonna start it up before my dad gets here to make sure it's running. I have the battery tender on there still, but should be fine. Alright, here we go. You can hear this thing sucking.
It's a 16 buff in the dark of
Almost. Yeah. What's your pair of pliers you had?
There are some.
Are they in here?
No. I can just. Yeah. Alright. Let me do stuff. I messed up.
Oh, there it is. I see.
It slides.
Slide.
I think you hit 2 on it. And it supposedly
No, one does.
1 does.
One opens it and 2 closes it probably. Yeah. 2 closes it. Okay.
Yeah, leave that alone for the drive.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, come on. Alright, we're trying if I can get this thing home. But I got stick shift. We're gonna see. God damn, he took the fucking yellow? What a dick. I guess he knows I know where I'm going. what's going on. I don't know if anybody can even see that, but we'll see. He's good at going slow. Hood problems. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Just doing a quick move. Just getting some gas. Back on the road. There's gas. Alright, where does that leave us? Well, before I need to clean a little bit of transmission fluid. I gotta organize some stuff, and some random parts and bits and tools and some house supplies that I gotta fix up. But then I think I can probably get my motorcycle started today. Get some laundry. You know, this is the challenge of having a small garage. It's not small, it's 2-car, but you know, I have it set up for 1, so I like to work. Got my Jeep outside. It's actually a Gladiator. But yeah, got 2 toolboxes. So where does that leave us? Well, gives me the opportunity to finally clean my garage out. Kind of make myself a place that I can work on some cars. Do simple things. I like to help people, my friends and family, change the oil, do stuff like that. That's gonna happen to them. But hopefully, in the works, I have a '67 Camaro. My dad's trying to figure out what to do with. One we got out of here today was '69. He likes Camaros, obviously. He has 2 of them now. I do too. He might be looking for me to keep one for him and or build it myself, but I'm kind of looking at potentially getting a couple other cars. Project cars, race cars, track cars, but we'll see. I have a lift kit that this camera is actually sitting on that I'm going to be putting on my Jeep Gladiator. It's has control arms, has everything. Has a drive shaft extension, has 3.5 inches. But I'm also waiting on a pair of 35-inch Nito Grappler mud terrains, blah blah blah, on 17 methods. You know, when they get here, we'll go through it. So what's this channel going to show? Well, I kind of work on everything. I don't really have a single car that I exclusively work on. I don't only work on Jeeps. I don't only work on classics. I only work on motorcycles. I try to work on everything. And I'm always trying to learn, get better. I'm going to try and practice some fabrication, get some welding together, get good at that. I've only done a very small amount, and I hope to get better at it. My wife bought me a really nice setup, so she at least supports it, so got to help her out. Well, not help her out. I'm glad she's helping me out. This lighting is weird. I'm trying to figure out how to be better at cameras. Let's see what if I can. I don't know. Does that work? It makes it worse. I don't know. There we go. Maybe that'll be okay. But anyways, gonna start cleaning up the garage, and then I'll pull apart my carburetor. I think that's the first thing, easiest thing. I haven't rode my motorcycle in a year, so the carburetor's probably stuck. These things, especially Harleys, which is what I have, they tend to get stuck. There's a little float pin that is supposed to allow the oxygen and gas mixing, and what happens is it gets stuck open or closed, so then it doesn't get the proper fuel mixed in, and it doesn't run. So hopefully I can document that well. Probably suck ass at it, but hey, it's all about learning. Anyways, I'm gonna get to cleaning. I'm gonna just leave you guys on to watch me, I guess. I'll fast, you know, it'll be boring, but content is content. Yeah. Alright, let's go. I almost forgot you're supposed to do transition, so it's like, alright, let's go. My wife's bringing me boba.
big dollars.